last day of January. January 21. Kuya, do you want ham? But we have some.
Mom, when you press what later on the tongue with a tattoo and then hold it for 2 seconds,
Yeah.
it'll be like a
Why is my tattoo in your tongue? What's wrong with your tongue? Racing? To be free. All of you was ha? Ngayong Friday, lahat sila may PE. Naka-PE lahat sila. Why? Ask Daddy to, that one. Why did you use the other one? It's alright. last strawberry pancake. That's all, it's not? No more? That's it? You sure? How about the... Kuya, you didn't eat your Oreo. Doc, where's your lunch bag? Zachary, can you ask Zachary for the lunch bag, please? Lunch bag, please.
There's only chocolate. I'm not holding it.
What? Zachary.
Yeah, no,
We don't have more now, Baba. We ran out of more.
finish my logo.
Finish your Yakult, please. How many apples? For you?
No,
Oh, thank you. Already. Snacks? What snacks do you want? You don't have ice pop, Papa. You don't have ice pop. Where? Give me. Meron pa palang mo. Akala ko naubos na. You done, sir?
You're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing outside. I wanna know your feelings inside. Give me some time. Oh, we'll bring it in a simple mind. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby. Simple mind. I guess we'll take it one by one.
Where's your bag, Baba? Give me your bag.
Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. And it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you,
socks, Mum. What would you do if I forgot that?
Want to get to
Not
know
bring it?
you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
This is my mum. She's angry. It's nice. It's just like yesterday.
Are you gonna pick up TJ?
Just TJ.
What time?
You have to go then and
Three
they'll
o'clock.
bring my clock.
Because he has a golf today. All right. What do you in blue?
Zachary, they're not running.
Zach, you get busy.
What's wrong with
Where's
Zach?
your blue ones?
They don't fit in. He has no shoes for 2 years.
What in 2 years? Every 6 months we buy you shoes.
Only me.
Yeah, because look, you only drive for days.
Sisa kailangan niya ng sapatos na pang sports at saka yung pang ano niya, school shoes.
What do you mean these don't fit you?
Si Zach,
They fit you.
kailangan niya
They're
ng
not
bago
Zach,
sport shoes.
I'll wear them Tuesday.
wear these. Nothing wrong with them. They're good shoes and they're running shoes. They're not bloody.
Yeah, that's not running shoes, Zach. Wow, you just want to look good.
Hey!
Suot niya yung ano, New Balance niya. Zach, wear your New Balance.
Daddy, no,
Ay.
Boring, no way.
tie my shoes for me, please.
Hurry up.
Please.
Take up.
Si,
Annika, I don't want to be on fun.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
nilagay ko na pala yung aking lashes kagabi. Mas maganda raw kasi ilagay ang lashes. Sabi ni Sisi, Race, pag patulog ka na, yung parang wala ka nang gagawin sa ano mo. Yung nakapag-skincare ka na para
Wash them off.
para dumikit talaga siya ng bongga. Kasi matutulog ka na lang, di ba? So, yeah. Yung comic, ano ba yung nilagay ko? I-insert ko na lang ba? Yeah. Yan yung mag-ama. Nasa patusan yung anak niyang babae. Don't forget your bag, Holly.
Yes. Did you put my lunchbox in there?
Yes, I did.
Go. You bag it up.
Okay, see ya. Come on. Go, because Daddy's waiting. Oh, you got lip balm?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you, listen and learn.
Hey, bye, Mommy.
Bye.
I'm on the bus tonight.
Yeah, because you don't have a dance today. Ay,
Bye, get back, Mama.
see you. Love you, yan ang gagawin ko. Pero, balik muna ako. Magnap ako at least kahit isang oras. Di ba sabi ko sa iyo magnanap ako? Hindi naman ako nakapagnap, guys. So, ang ginawa ko, nagkuskus ako ng bathtub. Yung bathtub namin, hindi naman yung ginagamit ng mga bata lagi. Pero, meron siya talagang alikabok kahit hindi siya ginagamit. So, kinuskus ko siya. And, nakapag-edit din tayo. So, yun ang ginawa ko. 12:05 na. Ayan. Uploading. Ayan. Na-upload na. Bilis lang. Kasi kanina pa, guys. So, anong oras umalis yung mga bata? Hindi talaga ako nakapag-nap. So, nagkuskus ako ng bathtub and then diretso ako dito. Nag-edit and ayan. Alas 12, 12:05. And ngayon, nagva-vacuum na tayo. Ayan. Nagva-vacuum. Na-vacuum ko na doon. And dito, na-vacuum ko na yung carpet na yan. So, yeah, yan yung ginawa natin. Instead na mag-nap, nakapag-edit na rin. Tapos yung Christmas tree, siguro hintayin ko si Zach. Kasi si Kuya hindi makakatulong magtanggal ng Christmas tree kasi mayroon siyang golf with Daddy. So, yeah. Tapusin ko lang tong aking pinavacuum para mapaligo na rin ako. Ligo muna ako bago ako magtupi. Ayan yung mga tupiin ko. And nag-ayos na din tayo kasi baka mamaya magdi-dinner kami sa golf club kasi may golf si Jan tsaka si Kuya. And baka mag-live din ako. So, anytime na matapos ko to, pwede ako mag-live. Tapos na ako magtupi. Ayan na yung ating mga natupi. So, ilalagay ko lang to sa kanilang drawers. And si Jan, kanina pa pala si Jan nakauwi, naligo, and nag-rush siya dito mga siguro 1 oras. Tapos umalis kasi nga pipick upin niya si Kuya sa school kasi meron silang golf tournament mamayang mga 4:30 or 5. So, yeah, umalis na si Johnny Boy. So, lagay ko lang muna to sa kanilang drawers. And nanonood ako na Lavender Fields habang nagtutupi. Ayan na si Kuya nakabihis na. Say hi, ya! Hi. Walang siya ng snacks. Si Jan, doon siya.
Make sure they're 5:30.
5:30?
Yeah.
Dapat daw 5:30 nandun na kami. Same last week. Naload na ni Jan yung baggy. Where's Kuya? Kabihis na yun eh. Good luck, ya. Yeah, good luck. Si Kuya, favorite niya yung orange. Ang dami yung golf shirts. He always wear that one. Good luck, boys. See ya. Ha? Kasi vlogger ang mother mo. Na,
So you just wait for me.
yeah.
Tomorrow I'm stuck. Mom,
Okay,
let's
tomorrow. Tonight.
No,
Tonight.
tomorrow.
Hi! Nakapihi sila lahat. Hi, baby. Go to the... Gusto niya, is that the one you're asking me to do it?
Yes.
Gusto niyang gawin namin yung
I'm
dalawa.
turning up the volume when you speak. And if your heart can't stop it, I'm turning up the volume. I go la la, na 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 la 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 na na.
I like the...
Yeah. So
All
we're
right.
gonna put the Christmas tree down.
Yes. Then, si Sak nag-PPS. Kaya gusto niya bukas na lang. Pagod daw siya eh, pero nag-PPS siya.
So,
We're getting all this.
okay. We'll get all this.
For ano guys, 4:35. Sabi niya dapat 5:30 nandun na kami. So, we'll see kung
I got a
matatapos
flower
na.
for you, Mommy.
Thank you,
I
Mama.
also got more. This guy.
Oh, Baba, you have to fold it, Baba.
Fold it. Hello.
Yeah,
I'll show you.
like this.
Got this.
And we have to remove all this because we're gonna wrap it in this paper.
Here's another flower for you.
Thank
Another
you.
flower for you.
And you have to fold the end, Baba.
Welcome, this is your life now. The wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one. Unsung. With you, I know we'll find a way through the fallout cold I made. With every mutation, we'll embrace the change. With
Guys, there's like little like
But Sak, don't eat because we're going to have dinner soon. I want you to eat your food.
Oh, blue or not?
Nah.
Why does it matter? Because what's it called? You spend money.
What do you spend money?
On food.
That's right. So you have to eat because we're gonna spend money to buy you food. So you
Yeah,
have
but
to.
what if I'm full and then we save money?
But we already paid your food, so you waste
This
the
food
food
here,
and waste
we're
the
not
money.
Then you're not spending more money. What is that doing?
Don't eat now, please.
Oh, no, I'll just have a few biscuits. You know what I mean? These stuff.
Ah, the
Just
cheese.
one. And the cucumber adjustable hoses.
This is so pretty. And please, 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 don't bring me the tears when I just I'll make that alright. I'll break you more than my equals in my head. I beg you don't embarrass me, mother sucker.
No more what?
Please, please, please.
No more what? Flowers.
If you wanna go in the physical, do you want me to put all the bows in there? And bows get the
You need the,
container.
yeah, get the
Please,
transparent. Yeah. Please, please, please. What about these ones, Mom? Yeah.
Let me see if there's any. What about these?
Yeah. Give me that one first, please.
It's so sparkly. Whoa. This gold? Is this silver? Silver and gold?
Champagne.
What about this one? No, this one's gonna break. This big. See? Please, please, please. Please, please, please. I don't wanna keep staying just to keep you in the snuggie from the garden gate. Every night there's someone just to keep my face. Whoa, 'cause I'm fine, but it wasn't true. I don't wanna keep could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me. But you said forever, now I drive along past your street. Stop signs, I still see your face in the white lines. Silent, can't stop in place where we used to go to, but I still love you, babe. Ooh, I know we were perfect, but I never felt this way. For no,
Baba.
oh, and I just can't imagine how you felt this so okay. Mommy, can you please get that one up there, please?
Huh?
That one, please. Yeah,
And this one.
put it in the box.
Yeah. There's more bowls.
Welcome, this is your life now, a wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one unsung. With you, I know we'll find a way through the fallout cold I made. With every mutation, we'll embrace the change. With you, I know we'll find a way through the fallout cold I made. In this new reality, we will embrace the change. We'll rearrange. 3 dogs spins from the station. Love songs for everyone to hear.
Dito na pala kami guys sa kung saan kayo magdi-dinner. O, di ba nahubaran na tayo? And finally, natapos ko yung pag-put away ng Christmas tree and nalinis ko rin yung kung saan siya nilagay. And super hot today. Where are you going?
Yeah.
And this one didn't help me at all.
Wait, is it done?
Yeah.
Like the whole thing?
Yes.
So it's not there anymore?
Why you didn't look?
I didn't see.
See? Hindi talaga siya nag-ano. Where are you going?
Well, if I only
Play
have
with
sleep
Pippa?
at just now.
Oh no, you're not sleeping.
Yes, bunny.
I'm going to pick
Why you come my pony? Are they here yet? No. What? You have something in between your teeth, Sak. Look. Look. Look at the mirror. I think that's the one you ate. The snacks that you had. Is it the biscuit and cheese?
I don't know.
Yung real. Did you like it? The real?
Yes.
It's alright?
It's better if I had like
The dip.
banana and all that in there.
Oh yeah. Wala kasi yung kabana. Cheese and cracker lang yun. Alright. See. Oh, shut it properly. Shut it properly. See, I love. See, Sak, I told you I could park there. Nakapark tayo dito ngayon sa ano kasi puno. Walang mapark ka na doon. Doon tayo usually nagpapark sa harapan. Ngayon dito tayo sa likod. Kasi puno yung parking. Ang init ngayon. Oy, anong oras na? Sabi kasi ni John 5:30. So, on time tayo. 5:33. Hi, Kurt! So, usually doon tayo nagpa-park, diba? Nakikita natin yung mga players. Ngayon, dito tayo sa likod. Wala pa naman. Wala pang tao doon, oh. So, nandito pa sila sa last hole. Nandun, nakikita ko na yung bagay ni John doon. Ito na yung pinaka-zoom, guys. Dito na pala kami. Ayan na si John. Nag-order na kami ng dinner. Sa akin, ano, is it scotch, Han? Steak? Scotch? Yeah, scotch yung akin. Tapos, meron siyang mushroom gravy. And, nagdala ko ng berry glow. So, hindi... Ha? Only tea, Jen.
Just don't go on the road, Annabelle.
Berry glow. So, hindi ako mag-order ng drink. And, tinuturo ni Jen is... Eto, si Kuya, oh. Oh, si Kuya. Siya yung pinakabatang na-engrave yung pangalan niya dito sa trophy niyan. For golf. What year? 2020. 5 years ago.
To Bailey.
So, eto yung salad bar today. Potatoes. Yan, lettuce with mixed veggies. And yung cold noodles, tangy. Ang daming salad. Pare-pareho lettuce pero iba-iba yung dressing. Nandito na yung food ni Kuya. Fish yung kay Kuya. Hi! Good. Ayan, ang daming fish. Tapos, tartar sauce. Si Sak na dun sa ibang table with other kids. Ito sa akin, with mushroom sa akin. Steak with mushroom gravy. And ayan yung salad natin. Okay, kain. Kay Holly, chicken nuggets. Upo siya dun sa friend niya. Try your fish, yeah? Yeah, thank you. Kay John, what's that one, Han?
Fish.
No,
Mixed grill.
mixed grill yung
Say
kay
John. No, you're...
Tapos na ako kumain, sobrang sarap ng steak. And sobrang busog na ako. Rating lang namin sa bahay and ayan na yung itsura ng ating fireplace. Maluwag na ulit kasi wala na yung ating Christmas tree. Andun yung ating light and yung tripod. But yeah, si John tsaka si Kuya inaayos lang nila yung buggy. Where are you going? I told you no.
Sorry.
No, I told you no.
I said,
I said no.
look how clean it is now.
Yeah, and you never helped me. Look at him, guys. Look how he
Look at that.
look at how he treat me. Oh, I'm not. You're not going.
Yeah, like,
No,
kiss. Just,
no, no. Look what you did to me. See? Where you going? Ay, sabi ko sa kanya, wag siya mag-sleep over. Nagpaalam siya sa papa niya. Na, I'm not gonna kiss you.
Yeah, sit down.
See ya. No, I told you not to sleep.
Oh, your neck.
No. Hindi to alis hanggat hindi to nakakahalik. No, I told you not to go.
Okay, then I won't. Can I kiss?
No? No? No.
Oh! Okay, so.
See ya, bye. Bye. Pero mamaya babalik yan sa akin. Ganun si Sak. Hindi yan naalis hanggat hindi niya ako nahahalikan. Oh, busog na busog ako. Pag busog ka, parang nagsisi kang kumain. Kapag gutom ka, parang lahat gusto mong kainin. Dapat mag-start na ako mag-start ng diet. February 1 na bukas. Birthday month ko na. I said no. No.
So where are you gonna go now?
That's wrong.
Love you. Good night.
Ayan yung pillow niya, oh. Diba? Tinatad tayo ng halik. Hindi yan naalis talaga pag hindi niya ako nahalikan. Hindi siya alis. Yun nga, busog na busog ako. Naka-edit na ako. Ayusin ko yung... Mag-live kaya ako. Bukas na lang ako mag-live. Bukas na lang siguro ako mag-live. And si Jan aalis. Pala si Jan tsaka si Kuya bukas. alis sila, punta sila ng Melbourne kasi may race yung horse ni Dad. Tapos kasama ni Jan yung, is Dad's first cousin? Yeah, first cousin ni Jan. Punta sila. So si Jan magdadrive. See you.
Love me
Love you
so much.
so much. Really? If you really love me, you're gonna listen to me that I'm not letting you sleep attached. So,
Say I love you.
oh, see, I love you. So, yun, alis si Jan tsaka si Kuya bukas. Tanghali, mga 11 daw. Oh, pahinga muna ako. Pahinga. Napagod kumain. What's that?
I drove Dad's car.
Where?
He never, he never trusts me. I just did it.
Oh. Oh. Iyon, ilalagay yan ni Jan sa, sa shed. Yung containers. Kung saan natin nilagay yung mga Christmas decor. Move na. Ayan na si Kuya. Dadalhin na nila ni Daddy yung ating mga pang-decor sa shed. Thanks, ya. Kasi alis din sila bukas, so hindi na yan maasikaso ni Jan. Kasi bukas daw maghuhugas siya ng linisin niya yung car niya. So it's not hard, yeah? Thank you. Yung Christmas tree nilabas ko na kanina bago kayo pumunta doon sa saan kami nag-dinner. Oh, diba?
Cause I think